Accidentally closed Firefox and lost your tabs? Firefox lets you easily regain your previous session. In this video, we'll show you how to restore your lost tabs. Open Firefox. Click the menu icon, BAS, in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the General section, scroll down to Startup. Find the option Open Previous Windows and Tabs. Check the box to enable it. The setting takes effect immediately. Close and reopen Firefox to test if your previous session restores. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.